I'm Kelvin Ross. I'm the editor of Power Engineering International, and I'm here in London for the OSIsoft EMEA User Conference. And I'm joined today by Sergio Valencia, EDPR. Sergio, welcome. First of all, tell us something about EDPR, what it does and where it does it.
Okay, EDPR is the fourth largest company in the renewable sector in the world. We're installed in 12 countries in Europe and North America. We manage 12 gigawatts of power installed. We have 13 different manufacturers that does imply. I work in data governance department. I'm responsible in EDPR from PI system and try to get value of all of our data, all of our information, and try to increase the incomes of our assets.
You said there are different problems between in Europe and America. What are the differences?
Yes, we have the differences. In base, we have, for example, we have in Europe 200 wind power plants, and in North America we have 30. But the number of megawatts in each platform is the same, are more or less 6 gigawatts in each platform. This is a technical problem because the characterization is different, and the regulatory problem is another topic. The regulatory, because in North America, in each state have different regulatory conditions, and in Europe, in each country is the same. We need to work ad hoc on each country to fulfill the requirements, and you need technical requirement and economical requirement that the company get value for your assets.
So you're on this digitalization journey, utilizing big data. How much has the use of data changed your company? Has it made it more efficient, and how better could it be in the years to come?
Yes, in the next years, my company have 3 fundamental pillars to work. One of them is operation and maintenance optimization. The focus is have more profitable wind power plants. For this, one of the topic is operation maintenance optimization. Another topic is predictive maintenance. We are very interested in predictive maintenance, but using the SCADA data, using the PI data, we want to get value in predictive maintenance to anticipate failures. The third topic is the life cycle of the wind turbine. Try to show on all the life of the wind turbine can be run more years or not. Is the life estimated is 20 years. The question is possible room 2 years more, 5 years more? Depend the loads, depend the production in the past.
Fascinating. Sergio, thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you have a great conference.
Thank you.